One of the weirdest things about JavaScript is determining what is truthy and what is falsy, which will determine the code that is executed in a conditional statement. For example, if we have an if statement, and in the parentheses we add true, it will always execute this code. Conversely, if we have false here, it will never execute the code. That's because true is truthy and false is falsy. JavaScript is a weakly typed language that uses type coercion to determine whether or not a value should behave as true or false at runtime. Like here's a big list of values that would be considered truthy. Likewise, undefined and null are also falsy, but what do you think happens if we add the number 0? In many other languages, 0 would be truthy, but in JavaScript, it's falsy. How about an empty string? Well, that's actually also falsy. This unusual behavior can be sometimes problematic when you write an expression like x equals value or some kind of default, because even if the value is defined as an empty string, it'll think that's falsy and then go to the default. Luckily, JavaScript introduced the nullish coalescing operator, which has a more limited set of values that evaluate to falsy. When used, only null and undefined are considered falsy values, and that gives you more predictable behavior than the regular OR operator.